Hey George and Martiese, it's Max. Martiese, thanks for chatting on the phone earlier and giving me this email. This is the free complimentary video that I promised you, just kind of showing you guys what we do and how we do it. All I ask in return is just some feedback, whether that's replying to this email or giving me a call or a text back. Just kind of let me know your thoughts, and if you guys have any questions, just let me know. So let's jump right into it. I know that you guys don't have a website, and so I was able to find your Facebook page here. But the general gist here is to have a website that ranks in Google for these select key terms, okay? And I picked these select key terms because I use this software called Ahrefs, and it shows me that there's 280 people every month searching for the service that you guys provide in Augusta, Georgia. And they use these specific words in order to search that. So if you guys wanted to be relevant to that, start ranking in this map pack as well as organically #1, you could start bringing in a lot more customers every month that are actively searching for you guys. Okay. So I'm gonna kind of analyze your competition here, Adams Painting and Repairs, just to show you how easy it would be to rank over them and start bringing this in as your own. Okay. So if we did build you guys a website, and we could use, a lot of the pictures and link it to your Facebook page, that way they would both be growing together. We would have to do content, citations, and backlinks, okay? And I'm going to show you what those three are using Adams, and then, just kind of show you guys how you could rank over them. So the content on Adams' homepage here, if we copy everything that you see, including these buttons, what the images are saved as, all of this, and then we throw it into this word counter, it shows us that there's over 3,000 words on his homepage. And that's a lot of content. Google typically wants about 1,500 to 2,000 words. However, what his content does not have is specific to these select key terms. So if we put 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage and specifically put them in an order to where they targeted those specific keywords, you guys, your content would become more relevant to that search term, even though he has more content than you, because yours is more quality and more specific to that search term. Backlinks, and basically all a backlink is just one website linking to your website, which passes power and relevance. So if we take this URL here of Adams and throw it into the other side of Ahrefs, it shows me the back end of his website. And as you can see, there's 132 backlinks coming from just 19 websites, which is actually very spammy. And that's why his trustedness from Google is not very high. So Google does not trust the backlinks that are coming to his website. So this would be a very advantage point for us. We would be able to go in there, add a lot more quality backlinks that Google does trust, and then they would trust our site more than his and put us to the top of the rankings. Okay, the third and final thing is citations, and that has everything to do with this map pack here. And all a citation is the business name, address, and phone number placed on various directories throughout the web, which makes your Google My Business page more relevant. Okay. Now, I threw Adams in here, and as you can see, he has 31 citations. So if we were able to get in there and get you guys about 50 or 60, you wouldn't just rank over him, but you would continue to stay in that #1 spot there in this map pack. And as we all know, a lot of people are using mobile devices nowadays, and this is what comes up on mobile. So about 80% of the people that are searching, 80% of the 280 people every month that are searching are going to click on one of these three maps here. Okay, so those are the three main things that we could do to help you guys boost your business. I hope that this was informative and helpful. And again, all I ask is just if you reply to this email with just your thoughts, or if you have any questions, you can reach out and call or text me. So I appreciate your time.